Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have the Matlock 5005, a nice fetching green, 38mm aluminium padlock. So this is brand new, just out of the packet. I did try picking it on camera out of the packet, failed miserably. But we shall give it another go. Let's see if we can get it opened on camera. So let's get that in there and I'll show you the key. Bitting on it's quite nice. Quite nice for the lock, not so nice for me though. So there we go, all locked up. Just swivel that a fraction so I don't hit the camera. And let's give this a go. So we're going to go light tension. Nothing on 1, 2, we got a click, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, 6. 6 is binding, but right, we've got a nice little click out of 6. Right, nothing on 1. Click on 2. Nothing on 3. 4. Right, we'll click on 4. A little click on 5. Nothing on 6. Right, nothing on 1. Clicking on 2. I think 2, that's the same click we've had every time. Right, we've got another click that time. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right, 1, and we got a turn, a very slight turn on the core. 2, nothing really. 3, 4, 5, 6 have dropped, and we got, feels like we're getting counter rotation. And a click out of 6 and we're open. So I say first time round that caused me all sorts of nightmares, but finally got there. Let's just move this. And I'll presume you screw in there. Oh, that is tight. But that's it, all out. And there's the core. And clip on the back. Let's lock this up for the moment. I want to get the clip off. So do have the key. And there's the clip. Swivel that to there. Get the follower. And there we go. So we do have all 6 populated, and also a steel anti-drill in the first slot, and that actually looks like it's serrated as well. I'll have a proper look in a minute. Standard brass, standard brass, standard brass, and a serrated brass. So let's just check this. Yep, definitely serrated. So don't often see them like that, but steel serrated. Have we focused? There we go. And the rest of them probably aren't serrated because of the length of them, but that one there is. So I think that's probably the wrong way around. I'll check when I put them back in, but let's see what we've got in here. A very lively spring. That's a steel standard anti-drill. Then we have a spool, a spool, a spool, a spool, and a spool. Just have a quick look at they're all standard, all the same. So about the only unusual thing there really is having a serrated key pin in steel. The spools are all standard, no serrations on those. So there we go. A quick look along there. So that's it. There we go. The Matlock 5005 in a very fetching green. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.